My name is Russ Howland. I work for Delta Airlines as an aviation maintenance technician. So my job as a lead AMT is to oversee our mechanics in Minneapolis. I've always had a fascination for aircraft. So when I moved to Tulsa, Oklahoma to attend Spartan, it's one of the best decisions I made. It's when I probably turned my life around the most. I was able to be certificated as an AMP mechanic, and then at that point the airlines came to the school and did interviews, and I interviewed with several companies. So when I attended Spartan, it was an 18-month program, and it was heavily focused on airframe for half that time, and then power plant, and to get your AMT certification. And they did an excellent job of preparing me for the practical exams and the written test. The schooling was spectacular. I've been able to utilize that education in numerous ways once going to work in the airline industry. I met my wife. She's from Tulsa, and we're still married 30 years later. We've raised 4 wonderful children, and I've been in the airline industry the entire time, and I do not regret any of it. It's been one of the best experiences I could ever imagine. It's amazing that in 18 months you can go to school and be working for a major airline that quickly. I was able to raise my family, travel the world. My kids have all seen the world, and getting my foot in the door at the airlines, the company has always treated me really well. Pay has been spectacular. I love what I do. I love aviation, and it all started at Spartan.